Master your to-do list, MoSCoW method and Bruce Lee's thinking. In this video, we will discuss how the MoSCoW method can help you prioritize your tasks and identify critical ones that must be completed first. We will also explore how Bruce Lee's golden statement can be applied to project management and help you be more selective in your learning. The MoSCoW method is a prioritization technique used to categorize tasks or requirements in a project according to their importance and urgency. It helps to identify the essential tasks that must be completed before anything else. MoSCoW stands for must do, should do, could do, want to do, and won't do. These categories are used to identify the importance and urgency of each task in a project. The must-do category includes non-negotiable tasks that are critical to the success of the project. These tasks must be completed, and there can be no compromise on them. The should-do category includes tasks that are important but not critical. They can be done after the must-do tasks are completed. The could-do category includes optional tasks that can be done if there is time and resources available. These tasks are not critical to the success of the project, but they can add value. The want-to-do category includes tasks that are desired or requested by stakeholders but are not essential. They can be considered if there is time and resources available after the must-do, should-do, and could-do tasks are completed. The won't-do category includes tasks that are not feasible or practical to complete. They can be eliminated from the project scope. The MoSCoW method helps project managers to prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. It ensures that critical tasks are completed first, and there is no compromise on them. It also helps to manage stakeholder expectations by identifying the tasks that can be completed and those that cannot. The golden statement, absorb what is useful, reject what is useless, is a quote by Bruce Lee, the famous martial artist and actor. It means that one should be selective in their learning and only absorb the knowledge that is useful and reject the rest. This statement is applicable in many areas, including project management, where it is essential to prioritize tasks and focus on the ones that add value to the project. In conclusion, mastering your to-do list is critical to the success of any project, and the MoSCoW method can help you prioritize your tasks effectively. By using the 5 categories, you can identify the essential tasks that must be completed first and manage stakeholder expectations. Additionally, by applying Bruce Lee's golden statement, you can be more selective in your learning and focus on the tasks that add value to the project. We hope this video has been helpful in mastering your to-do list, and thank you for watching.